English lesson. Secondary school Автенемит Жума Жангырчиев, teacher Туксонова Рахат, 5th grade. Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you today? How are you feeling? I am glad to begin you. I hope you are very good. Now let's begin today's lesson. Today's lesson theme. The theme is treatment. Darıloo. The aim of the lesson. People will learn new words, will improve reading, writing skills, and will interest English lesson. Балдар бүгүнкү сабакта жаңы сөздөр таанышасыңар, аларды сүйлөө ичинде колдоно билесиңер. At first, new words, жаңы сөздөр. Now let's repeat after me. Injection. Medicine. Plaster. Vitamin C. Syrup. The last word is cream. New words: syrup, plaster, medicine, дары-дармек, vitamin C, vitamin C, injection, укол, cream, мазь. Now let's begin doing exercise. Көнүгүү иштейбиз. Now open your books at page 259, exercise 1. Match the words to make collocation. Have an injection. Take some medicine. Take vitamin C. Put on plaster. Take some syrup. Put some cream on the bruise. Now, today we have new grammar. The modal verb should, shouldn't. Керек жана кереги жок. Модалдык этиши. Now, there is a example. I should go to school. Мен мектепке барышым керек. You shouldn't go to street. Сен көчөгө чыкпашың керек. Should you go to the shop? Сен магазинге барышың керекпи? It's sunny and hot today. What should I wear? You should wear your hat. What should I take? You should take your sunglasses. Now, students, our lesson is over. Your homework for the next lesson. To write words in the correct order. Сөздөрдү тууралап жазабыз. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.